It's our favorite time of year. We're back over here at Tulsa for the annual Tulsa Garden Club's garden tour. And joining me today is Jimmy Black with all of the details.
Yes, this year we are so excited. We have 4 amazing homes and gardens, 3 of which you get a sneak peek in.
We're really getting to see the homes in some of these.
Yes,
Yeah.
2 of the homes you get to go in and see the majority of the homes. One is the Home Builders Association Designer Showcase Home. You get to see the entire home.
Wow. And I've heard it's amazing inside. It's still under work a little bit right now.
They are doing the finishing touches on it, but it will be in perfect condition for the public and to show how wonderful of a home it is.
And one of the other houses had a famous interior designer in there.
Yes, here in Tulsa, Oklahoma, everyone knows who Charles Fadre is. The current owners, Bill and Chris, were good friends with him. They bought it after his passing and have done everything outside themselves, but the inside was still original to when Charles Fadre.
Right, and while the inside's
there.
amazing, the outside, they've done an incredible job squeezing so much into a kind of a smaller space, actually.
Yes, I mean, it's a great example of formal gardening. Every square inch is meticulously maintained. I think Bill and Chris said there's 4 or 5 sitting areas, so it holds a lot of people, and it's wonderful.
One of the things I always love about this is we come a couple of weeks prior to the actual tour, and there's a lot of azaleas and dogwoods, but it's amazing how the seasons change in just 3 weeks to Mother's Day.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, everything's in full bloom now, the dogwoods, the azaleas, but everything a lot of the homeowners are planting now are going to be in full bloom in about 2 weeks.
Right, we're going to have hydrangeas and things like that that are coming up. Roses, peonies,
Peonies, they planted petunias, I mean, it's ready to explode.
So tell us, how do we get tickets to this event, and also what the date is?
Well, it is May 10th, which is the tour, the day before Mother's Day.
Always a good idea to bring your mom,
Absolutely.
right?
I've got my mom, my sister, my nieces all lined up. They're coming. And our patron event is here at wonderful Woodward Park, the Tulsa Garden Center, at the Teaching Garden. It's just going to be a wonderful Friday and Saturday night.
Okay, so anybody can be a patron if they want to. Find more information on that
Absolutely.
on your website?
Yeah, just go to our website, and that money goes to us giving back to the community. We give to 4-H, we give to Food on the Move, Global Gardens. I mean, the list goes on.
A lot of OSU scholarships.
And a lot of OSU scholarships, yes.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Well, that's fantastic. So again, if you want to just come to the actual garden tour, where can people go? Your website has information on that?
They can go to our website, yes, or they can get them right here at the Tulsa Garden Center at Woodward Park.
All right, mark your calendars, May 10th.
Absolutely, May 10th. We'll be here.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.